dish. Atomy Kelp Soy Sauce. Be a chef with 100% natural ingredients. No coloring, no MSG, no preservatives. Naturally fermented for rich taste. Anyone can be a chef. Atomy Kelp Soy Sauce. Wild chive sauce and bean sprout rice. Chop wild chives and add crushed garlic, red pepper powder, sesame seeds, sugar, sesame oil, and kelp soy sauce, and pour it on bean sprout rice. Spinach side dish. Mix blanched spinach with crushed garlic, chopped scallion, red pepper, sesame oil, and kelp soy sauce. Lastly, add the soy sauce, mix together, and you're done. Korean stir-fried rice cakes. Marinate beef with soy sauce, 1 clove of minced garlic, sesame seeds, sesame oil, and Atomy cane sugar. On a heated pan, add 2 teaspoons of cooking oil and add all ingredients and rice cakes. Then stir for 3 to 5 minutes. Soy sauce shrimp. Put apple, ginger, dried red pepper, shrimp, water, Atomy cane sugar, and kelp soy sauce in a jar. Beef short ribs. Soak short ribs in cold water for 30 minutes. Add short ribs, vegetables, water, cane sugar, kelp soy sauce in a pot and boil. Fish cake udon. Put kelp soy sauce and boiling water to make broth. Then add udon noodle, fish cakes, mushrooms into a pot. Mushroom stew. Add all sorts of vegetables with mushrooms and pour kelp soy sauce in a pot. Once boiling, add 1 tablespoon of kelp soy sauce.